It's okay.
这个是空纸箱，如果装了产品，它效果会更好。
This empty box, if there is some product inside it, it will be better.
If some products are inside,
对，因为它
Yeah.
因为这样它里面就有重量，这个一点重量没有。
装一点，试一下装一点，待会儿装有人装，因为它中间一定要走那个，它 roller 上面，它人会站一个，它连着它的输送带会站在一个长长的，会放东西进来。
像这个是它都不良那箱子。
不良箱子 pass 掉。
对，像这种它
要剪一下吗？
不是，它做过来这样，你要跟他说，它里面我都遇到好几个了，那里都遇到好几个。
你把它投出来，你把它投出来，我告诉他这是不良的，为什么不良？需要做怎么做？这个对。好，走整条线，开始先走整条线，用好的走整条。啊。啊哈。
Tell your guy, we want to know how to introduce the boxes with your hand.
Change the format.
Yeah, change the format, different sizes of cartons.
We want to know how to do it.
Okay. So first, let's do testing the first line, and then to change different size. Okay. 好，走几个箱子，待会儿再告诉他不同的箱子怎么切换大小，怎么切换不同的调试。
看自动啊。
啊，好的。
When they don't have boxes there,
yeah.
How they stop? How they stop?
There will be a sensor to detect. Yeah, automatic stop.
Yeah. Ah, okay, perfect.
Yeah, automatic stop. You see?
Where is the detector?
Yeah.
Where is the sensor? The sensor.
Hold on, let me tell you.
Okay.
把这里全放上去。
这个还是那个箱子一样的吗？ 再试2个吧。
For example, the capacity was 900 units per hour. You remember?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. When now we will put the full boxes. Okay, the full carton boxes. How we detect, the machine detect that you have instead of 100 units, you have 30 units. They change the color or what they do?
Okay. You mean the output capacity calculator? Okay.
The machine show you something or?
谭工，他说你就是有没有产量计量？
有。
在里面。Touch screen。
这里已完成啊，你计划比如说要放多少个，已完成。我们比如说我们这里完成了多少个箱子，就41箱。
Yeah. There is the number inside the touch screen, so we will put it in English language then.
Yes, but we know we need to check the panel view. Oh, you.
No, there is no light for warning, for alarm off.
No.
No.
And can we put an acoustic signal that a message? Okay.
No need. 他还是吧？
没多少了，我倒是这款喽。
哦，我跟他说一下吧。